In front of me is LG K61, and let me show you how to activate touch sounds on the following device. So, as you can hear, it is muted right now, so you do not hear any click once I am doing it, once I am clicking on any of the icon. And if you'd like to change it, if you'd like to hear each of the tab, just open the settings, then find and pick sound. Sound is right here, and scroll down to the bottom of the list. Here you will notice touch sound, just click here, and now you will be able to hear each tab. So this is it, this is how it works. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.